So in this video, I'll give you a demo of autofix feature for Archie AI. So to use this feature, you have to go here and click try now. Once you do that, the page where this feature is available is in the peer review page. The first step for you is to make sure that Archie AI GitHub app is installed in repository. So you can go through here and make sure that your repository reflect. Once you do that, you have to come back here on the previous page and configure that how we should be looking at that repository, which bugs you want us to look at. So for example, the repository that I want to select is CW backend. This is the repository here, and then I can see that how then I can put some ways in which I want to assign Archie AI to work on it. So for example, I want, like, if a repository has Archie AI tag, then pick it, or it has Archie AI prefix, then also pick it. So, and I can assign the number of issues that it should take up. Once I do all of this, then I add the configuration here, and from here then I can go to the repository. So once I go to the repository now, so I already have a issue here. So this was the issue that I just copied from Sentry, its log and all, and just put it here. So it's very sort of dense piece of information directly pulled from Sentry. And what I'll do is that I'll assign it to Archie AI tag here. So once I do this assignment, you will start seeing this eye icon. So that means that Archie AI now is looking into this issue. It will first parse it and go step by step and try to solve it. What I'll do meanwhile is to show you a previous issue that we have solved, and then we can come back here. So meanwhile, as Archie AI is trying to work through the issue, let me show you what previous issues look like. So this was one issue that I added to Archie AI a couple of days back. So first step it did was it cleaned up the issue that this is what this processed, it first figured like what showed me what steps to do. Then it wrote a design proposal and then created implementation plan, then final code changes, and then finally created a PR. Now we have changed it a bit since then, like we had improved the API. So now you see this sort of top comment which tells you that which step we are. For example, we are at problem discovery step, and as we make progress, it will be updated. Before that, it also does cleans up the issue that, okay, this was a Sentry log, but what exactly is the relevant traces, which API is being affected, and from there on, it will try to make progress. So this takes a bunch of API LLM calls to finally come up to the solution like you saw here. But what you have to do is pretty simply just go and apply these tags, and you can start using the autofix feature.